Hey everybody, thanks for watching this video today. We're in Real Estate Lab and we're going to talk about parsing for a little bit. So we're creating a couple videos for you guys so you can see how parsing works, what are best practices, troubleshooting, all that good stuff. So first I want to start with how do you parse documents? Where do you parse documents inside the software? Where do you go to do that? So there's a couple of places. Actually, there's 3 places that you can parse documents. And I'm going to show you each of them real quick. So the way our flow works is on the analysis tab. So go to your pipeline or my properties, click into a property, click the analysis tab. From there, you're first going to create an analysis. This is normally the main way that you will parse documents. You're going to create a template. So let's just say sample template. We're going to select a model that allows parsing. Not every model allows you to parse a document into it. There's a workaround in case that we don't have a model here that allows parsing and you still want to parse a document. But first, let's select a model. So the easiest one, the one that always works, is if you go to our REL flagship multifamily model. Again, if you guys think about it, the parsing is to read a rent roll or T12 and bring that data into the model. So the models that have parsing allowed and linked to parsing are models that have the multifamily features, right? And they have a unit mix table and a T12 section to pull that T12 and rent roll data into them. So the first one and the main one that's always going to work here is the flagship multifamily model. I believe the other one that may work is the quick multifamily analyzer. You can parse a rent roll. Yep. So, but again, the main one is going to be the flagship model, or if you upload your own model and we link it for you, then these options will become available. As you can see here, we have a couple different options that will show up. If you select a model that doesn't have any parsing attached to it, let's say a custom model that we uploaded. Let me pull one that's not one of these. Let's go to like the exit model, right? It's not going to show any parsing options. So we'll go back here and we'll hit the flagship multifamily model. It's going to give us an option to parse a T12 and a rent roll. You can either click the upload button or I can drag and drop a document into there. So this is spot number 1. I'm going to go ahead and just create the analysis. Again, in the next videos, I'll show you how to parse. But right now we're showing you where you can parse a document. So the second spot you can parse a document is you click onto the property, go to analysis. You've already created an analysis. Now we have these tiles here that give you the option to do the exact same thing. You can drag and drop a T12. You can go and click the upload button and you'll be able to access your parsing options right here, right in your face. So it's real easy to see. The third and last location where you can parse documents is actually going to be in the documents section. We have a couple of locked folders. So these locked folders relate to different aspects of the software. For example, if you created a letter of intent on this property, it's going to go into this folder. If you upload files or videos or photos, whatever it may be, to the notes section here, it will go into your notes uploads folder. And then if you upload a rent roll or a T12, they will all live within these folders here. And as you can see, we've uploaded a bunch in the past to this property. So the last place you can parse is if you upload a rent roll or a T12, you can go ahead and right here, pick which rent roll that you're interested in parsing, and you can click parse for that specific property. So let's go through it one more time. I'll show you start to finish how it works. I'm going to add a new property. It's just a good sample property to use here. And we'll go ahead and put in an address. All right. Next, confirm, view property. So one more time. So you can go to analysis, create an analysis, sample analysis, select a template that is connected to parsing. We'll go to our flagship multifamily analyzer. You can upload a rent roll or T12 here. Once you're done, you can also upload a rent roll or T12 here. If you've already parsed something, you can upload it here. Continue. You'll see when it's done, it'll show it's done. If you want to clear it and redo it, you can clear it, or you can just upload a new one right over it and redo it at any point in time. And then again, the last location, if you go to your documents, you can go to your T12 or rent roll folders, and you can upload a document here. And I can drag and drop a T12. Let's go T12. I'm going to drag it right here. Make sure to throw it in the T12 folder. Once that is uploaded, I can go and click right here and parse that file. So those are the 3 locations where you can parse a file. Super easy to do. Next, we're going to show you guys how to parse, troubleshooting, common issues you might run into, and making your parsing quicker and more seamless.